Welcome again to my tutorial video again today on how you can easily deposit funds into your Bitget account. In this tutorial video, you guys should just make sure to stick around and watch this video to the end. Try to subscribe, like, and share this video to all your social media handle in this tutorial video. And if you have not registered before on Bitget, you are going to see my referral link and code down below this video. Make sure you click on that link to register and get your welcome bonus when you make your first deposit and start trading on Bitget. It's very simple as that. So let's dive into the video. When you first log in on your account, on your laptop, on your phone, wherever you can see, there are even copy trading. You can also copy trade here. I'll show you in my next coming video on how you can copy trade, how you can do whatever you want to do, trading spot, trading features. I'm going to show you step by step in this tutorial, but this one just based on how can you deposit funds into your account on this tutorial video. So let's jump into the video. You can just come to this particular area right where you are going to see your trade. All right, let me just show you something real quick. All right, the first thing you need to do right now, when you first log in on your laptop like this, you are going to click on this area and click on this assets area to see the interface where you are going to you click on this we are going to see the interface of deposits icon, and so that you can easily fund your account. All right, in this tutorial. All right, so when you want to make a deposit, the first thing you need to do is to just come to this area called deposit. You can see we have buy, we have withdraw, we have transfer, we have sell. Then you come to this deposit icon, then you fund your account without you with very easy step. I'm going to show you on this tutorial video right now. All right, so when you see, you can use BNB, you can use it here to deposit whatever thing you want to do. You are going to select it here. So just make sure to come to this area and select USDT. Then you choose a network. You can select Web20, you can select ERC, you can select Polygon, you can select anyone you like. You can select Tron network, whatever you want to select. Let's say you want to use Web20, I can just look for Web20 on this area right now. Let me just look for Bitget. Is very cheaper. This is Bitget, BNB. Can you see? You can see this is the, can you see, minimum deposit is 0.01 USDT. Can you see? Minimum is 0.01 USDT. You can even deposit $5 wherever you want to, it depends. So that's how. Then you copy the wallet address given to you. You copy it like this. And you see, I've already copied from this particular Bitget. You can now go to your any other exchange, like that Binance, whatever account you have, to transfer the money from your Binance or to your any other exchange you have to your Bitget account. You see, then you come to this particular area. This is my Binance as an example for you guys to show. This is asset area, right, where you can look and you can withdraw from your Binance to wherever exchange you want to go for, so that you guys can easily know how to fund your Bitget account less than 5 minutes. So let's say you want to withdraw from the Binance. You can just come to this withdraw area here. Then you select the USDT you want to withdraw. You want to deposit to your to your Bitget account, to your Bitget. Then you come to this area called select the chain. I want to use USDT. Yeah, this is the USDT. I want to use USDT to deposit. Then I will now click on this. Yeah, I want to withdraw. Sorry, I'll just paste the wallet address given to me here. I paste. I will now select the network. The network is BEP20. Let me just scroll up. The network is BEP20. Let me just look for BEP20 network right now. BNB. This is BNB. All right, then let's say I want to withdraw like $100 as an example, $100. So they will charge me let me see the fee. The fee is 0.01. Okay, let me just put like 0. All right, 0.1. Can you see? That's 0.1. Then you click on this withdraw. All right, you click on withdraw. Then when you click on withdraw, just follow the prompts given to you on the Binance. Then click on this confirm. Then you send the money into your what? Into your, then you confirm the transaction given to you here. Then you easily withdraw the money into your, then you put your all your information, Google Authenticator and everything. So let me just do that, then I'll get back to you in real quick right now. Then the money will send to my Bitget account without any issue, guys. All right, they asked me just they have sent a code to your email. Let me just go and get the code on my email. All right, I've already can you see I've already sent the money so to that account. It's that simple. It's very, very simple and easy. So let me just wait for it to land to my account right now. All right, let me just check the withdrawal detail right now. The money is being sent already to that Bitget account, but I'll show you guys right now on how the withdrawal take to send into the account. Let me just wait for it to load up. All right, the money is being sent successfully right now to that particular account. You can see everything is clear. You can see everything complete clearly. You can see completed. The money is being sent to that particular Bitget. Let me just go to Bitget. So right now, let me just try to come and check out. I need to just go back to this area, asset area, to check if the money is being deposited to Bitget account less than, let me just, can you see the money is being sent successfully? Let me just change this one to USDT. All right, this is $100 is being sent to what? To your what? To your Bitget account less than 5 minutes. So thank you guys for watching the video. In my next coming video, guys, I will show you guys on how you can withdraw, how to do wherever you want to do from Bitget. Then I'll also show you guys in my next how to trade spots, how to do whatever you want to do on your on your Bitget account. So this is how you can just deposit money and the money went successfully. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like and share. Bye for now, guys.